It's me, Mario!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Smith Point to New Point Comfort, Virginia, Rappahannock River, until 11 p.m. At 9:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, showers and isolated thunderstorms capable of producing strong wind gusts were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles northwest of Urbana Inlet to near Momjack Bay to near Cabbage Patch, moving north at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Nassau Ox Reef, Wolf Trap, Crisfield, Urbana Inlet, Tangier Island, Stingray Point, Onancock Inlet, Occohannock Reef, DeSalle, Longs Creek Inlet, Windmill Point, Lower Bernard Island, Rappahannock Range Light, Rappahannock Light, Mantua T Reef, Irvington, Gwynns Island Reef, Anglers Reef, and Smith Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
And schedule your initial consultation, and your fee will be waived at
Marine.
The National Weather Service in Virginia has issued a special waters surrounding Rutherford Island, Island Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, until 11:15 p.m. At 9:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of Urbana Inlet, New York City, near Seal Island, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Cooper Island Light, Smith Island, Crisfield, Big Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Nanticoke River mouth, southwest middle grounds, Jewel, Point Lookout, Tangier Sound, Honda River, Fishing Bay, Point No Point, Pine Owl, the Target, Richland Point Buoy, and Seal Island. Now the official national
National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chincoteague to Paramo Island, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Paramo Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles until 11 p.m. At 9:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, showers and isolated thunderstorms capable of producing strong wind gusts were located along a line extending from the south to 7 nautical miles north of Hot Dog area off Virginia Beach, moving north at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wachapreek Inlet, Chincoteague Bay, Assateague Beach, Wachapreek Reef, Blackfish Reef, Ship Shoal Inlet, Quimby Inlet, Great Mashapongo Inlet, Sand Shoal Inlet, Chincoteague, Cape Charles Light, Bone Wreck, and Paranor Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Marine forecast.
Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bowie, Annapolis, Mayo, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Naval Academy, out to Marlboro, Magansee River, Dobbins Island, Severn River, South River, Pinehurst, Sillery Bay, Boston Point, Breezy Point, Road River, Severna Park, and Ono. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is the North National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia, 20 to 40 nautical miles until 11:45 p.m. At 10:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line nautical miles southeast of parking lot, moving north at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and greatly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean City Pier, 10 nautical miles east of Ocean City Inlet, Ashland Bay, Ocean City Inlet, Jacques Montier, 10 nautical miles southeast Fenwick Island, African Queen Wreck, Gulf Rambler Wreck, and Fenwick Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At 10 p.m.